How to detox your body.
Detoxification, or detox, is the process of removing toxic substances from the body. Diets that claim to achieve a full detox in a matter of days have been around for decades, and several methods exist. While not scientifically proven to remove any toxins from the human body, many people claim feeling more focused and energetic during and after detox diets, most likely because of avoiding processed foods. Note: this article does not contain information on how to detoxify someone undergoing treatment for alcoholism or substance abuse. Detoxing from alcohol or other hard substances, particularly benzodiazepines, should always be conducted under the supervision of a medical professional. Short-term detoxes. Do a fruit detox. Fruit detoxes are a great way to fast without starving yourself. Getting enough fruit can increase your energy levels, help manage your weight, and even reduce the likelihood of stroke. You can either detox by eating a variety of different fruits, or by only eating one kind of fruit. For best results, choose a fruit that you enjoy eating so that you don't feel like you're suffering. Do not exceed 7 days in a row of a fruit-only diet. Eat citrus fruits. Oranges, tangerines, grapefruit, lemons, and limes have the highest detoxifying effects. You can eat them on their own or combine them with other fruits. Again, do not exceed 7 days in a row of a fruit-only diet. Try a grape detox. Grapes contain resveratrol, which can protect against cancer and diabetes, and potentially prevent blood clots. They are also a great source of potassium and vitamin C. Eat nothing but grapes, whichever kind you like, for 3 to 5 days.